Hello everybody, it's Larry and welcome to this video. I usually say today's video, but this video is special. We're going to put it out right away. If you have a subscription to the channel and you've clicked the bell notification, you're going to be one of the first to get a hold of this, and you're going to be able to see it and do it before your friends. Pass it along to them, kind of rub it in. and if somebody sends you this, you need to click the subscribe and the bell notification too, so you get notified when things like this occur. But Ancestry has made their newspaper.com subscription free, including the publisher's extra, until February 17th through President's Day. So right now, this moment, I'm going to put this video out right now. It's like a little after midnight. For anybody that gets this, you can start looking at that information. So all the newspapers you can look through. And remember how we talked about the obituary collections were there and you required the publisher's extra? Now's your chance to look through all those obituaries free of charge. Hope you enjoyed this. If your friend hasn't subscribed to the channel, send this to him, rub it in. Anyway, we'll talk to you again soon.